Ooh, there's a fish. Is that a giant? Hey guys, welcome back. We're out here today. We're fishing a body of water I haven't been to in a little bit. The goal today is just to get out there, explore some water, see if we can figure out what these fish are doing. We might head up the river a little bit too, see if we can find any spawners up there. So yeah, we'll head out there and see if we can find some fish. All right, I'll start off by throwing a chatterbait. See if we can just get a bite right off the bat. We've had a pretty cold last couple days, so we're kind of still in the middle of the cold front here, so I don't know if the fish are shut down or if it affected them at all, but this is a pretty shallow lake, so you know, even a little bit of a change in temperature can affect the fishing quite a bit. But we'll just keep fishing, covering water, see if we can find some active fish. Hopefully this cold front didn't shut them down too much. All right, we're gonna make a little bit of a move. I tried working this flat over here near the launch, but didn't run into anything, so I'm gonna work my way down this bank and then probably go into that river I was talking about earlier, see if we can catch a few spawners up there. Go, first fish. Super tiny though. I was just picking out a backlash and took a random cast and caught this little guy. There's another one. About the same size as the last one. Never really done too well coming up the river, but then again, I've never really fished it in the spring. The few times I have fished this lake, I've fished it in the fall, so Who knows, maybe this little shallow river is where they all move up to spawn, and then they move back out to the main lake once they're done. It's super windy out. I mean, I knew there was going to be some wind today, but I didn't expect it to be this bad. There's a fish. All right, the first halfway decent one of the day. All right, there we go. It's just super hard to fish in all this wind. It's not making it easy to cast or even position the kayak. Ooh, there's a fish. Is that a giant? No. It's a decent one though. I thought he was huge. Just the way the wind was blowing. All right, we got a good one. All right, let him go. Caught that one on the Chatterbait. I switched up the color to something a little bit flashier, just because the sun's out right now and there's a lot of chop on the water. Ooh, that's a big pickerel, guys. Wow. Knocked slack into my line right at the boat. Whew. All right. That pickerel destroyed my line. I gotta retie real quick. I think when I was here last time, I caught a couple big pickerel. But along with the big pickerel, there are also big bass, so. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the day. Yeah, it was super windy out here today. A little bit tough fighting all the wind. Caught a few fish, a lot of small ones, a couple decent ones. We got to explore the river, caught a few small ones up there. Got to check out some shallow water. I think this cold front has the fish shut down a little bit. They're just not willing to really bite like they usually are. But regardless, it was a good day. going out again in a couple days, so we'll be sure to bring you along for that one. So until then, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you later.